2022 Dodge Durango 5.7. Got the RT Hemi. All right, 5.7 Hemi. Got an AFE air intake going on this thing. Momentum GT, best air intake on the market. Later on, we might slap a Borla on there. This is my boy from UM. What position you play, bro? Left tackle? Defensive tackle of the year, boys. All right. I'm gonna introduce you in a sec. Got the 5.7 Dodge Durango all set. Got the AFE in there. Got my boy set. All my boys from UM coming by. Got my boy Joshua Horton here.
Yes,
Tell me how you
sir.
found about the shop.
I found out about the shop on Instagram. You know, seeing them, they weren't too far away. I came and they got the work done for me. Got the cold air intake put in.
So if you guys got any upgrades you want to do to your car, your truck, your Durango, let us know. Hit us up. DM us. gexhaust.com. Gexhaust Davey, Gexhaust Oakland Park. If it's good for UM,
Yes,
good for
sir.
us, bro. Let's go.